Hello everyone, I'm about to show you how to check your battery health. So you go to your file explorer, you go to this PC, then you open your file explorer, you go to Windows, then you can search here from, you can search battery, and search for battery, then you open the battery recycle bin, then you can see your battery health here. To show you the cycle bin, then we show you the cycle count. You can see here the cycle is 0. Then this is what comes with the system initially, but if you want to get, since this system is not brand new, it's a used system, but the system is still seen as a brand new battery. But if you want to get the correct accurate battery health, you can go to your website. You can go to your website and download battery. Let me show you. I've already downloaded it. It's inside my flash. Let me just insert my flash and show you from there. So you go to, you can see the software here, battery info view. If your system is 64-bit, you can download 64-bit. If your system is 32-bit, you can download 32-bit, but mine is 64-bit. Then you double click it, then you open it, then you click on, you open this first one, you click on run, then to actually, the gig is not up to 1 gig, even I don't think it's up to 500 MB, so it's easy to download. Then you see the battery health here. My battery health, you can see, is 83.9. that's the current battery health now, because I've been using this system for 2 years now. So that's all. Thank you very much.